Let me see if I can explain this injector cleaner that Jason's made. It's essentially two leads. You've got negative and positive, which doesn't matter, they're interchangeable in the situation. In this case we've got a long negative that goes into a connector. I think he's used some kind of a Toyota connector, I think he said. And that goes back into a switch, which is an old window washer. And the other side just goes back into the batteries, positive. So again, like I said, they're interchangeable. Now, once you connect it into the injector, and then you actuate the switch, that completes the circuit. And listen out for the injector's solenoid. That's that clicking sound you hear. And the other part is, okay, so this is a wheel valve. This is what's inside your wheel. You can't see that bit up there, but that's how you pump up your tyres. Then he's just got a couple of hoses, and they in turn connect to just your regular carby cleaner with those plastic nozzles that come with the cans. And once you attach that, let me just set this down. I'll see if I can explain it. I burnt my hands on carby cleaner earlier today, but I'll just do a quick one. Alright, so once you attach that and you spray the can, it gets pressurized. That was fun. Okay. You should do this with gloves, by the way. So that gets pressurized, and you can see the injector's not actually leaking until you switch it on. And there you go, there's the pulsing. So I'll just give it a bit more pressure. That's me doing that with the switch. So that's a good injector, and that's how you clean it. And now let me show you on one of my bad injectors. So it's just coming out of the can again. Okay. Now when you spray it, see how it's not holding pressure? There you go, it's just leaking. Yeah, actuating it doesn't do anything, it just keeps leaking. And yeah, don't get it, these injectors are about 126k old. They look pretty clean when we pull them out. But 3 of them are leaking out of the 4. They were stock, they had the stock filter in there and the cap at the end. Can't explain that one, but there you go. Anyway, that's a pretty neat little description. Works quite well. Generally it works better with 2 people and when you're wearing gloves.